Governor Anusuya Uike has directed to ensure people at relief camps have no grievances during a meeting with Chief Minister N. Biren and Chief Secretary Dr. Vinit Joshi at Raj Bhavan held yesterday. According to a statement released by the Governor's Secretariat, an extensive discussion with Chief Minister and Chief Secretary regarding various state issues took place yesterday at Raj Bhavan around 5 p.m. They discuss about providing adequate relief items and financial aid, as well as constructing houses for the people staying at relief camps. The governor emphasized the need to trace Kangenbam Apamba, who has been missing, and to strengthen the checkpost. She further addressed the problem of lodging for medical students of Jennings AIQ, urging the Chief Minister to arrange suitable accommodations.